Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great coupe in our collection. A pre-owned 2002 Mazda MX-5 Miata. This Mazda is powered by rear-wheel drive 4-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 110,736 miles. Rev up your adventure with this 2002 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Experience the thrill of open-top driving, timeless style, and sporty handling. Perfect for enthusiasts or a fun weekend ride. Don't miss out, make it yours today. This pre-owned MX-5 Miata comes with many comfort and luxury, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with AC, power windows, alloy wheels. Safety was put first by the following features: adaptive cruise control, ABS brakes. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.